Hey, here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Do I have a lineup for y'all today? Now, this is all going on my man Nick with Baco Incorporated in the United Kingdom. Now, guys, Nick got with us right off the bat back in 2020, and he's been with us ever since. Nick, we appreciate you, my friend, but he distributes our pits all throughout Europe. So if you're over there and you're wanting to get in a TMG pit, give my man Nick a call. Great guy to deal with. So, Nick, we appreciate you. And let's go down his lineup, see what he got. Now, first off, we've got a TMG 250 tank smoker, and I think word has it Nick's gonna keep this bad boy for himself because this one just came out slick, got that natural patina on there. Of course, our custom hand fabricated hinges, handles on the badass skid setup, insulated firebox, of course. So that's our TMG 250. Now up next, we've got a rocket stove. Now he's actually gonna set this up outside of his warehouse slash showroom, kind of show it off to the people. On our off-road package, of course, got a griddle top and a grill top that interchange out. Up next, we've got a fridge 36 on the off-road package. Now guys, these fridges come standard with built-in griddle tops here. We've got 4 Heritage 36 reverse flow offset smokers here. So guys, if you want to get into a TMG pit, this is our entry-level reverse flow smoker here. Just a great all-around cooker. Up next, we've got a roll-off direct heat cooker here. Insulated bottom with the rotisserie built into it. So that's a pretty slick setup there. Now he's actually got 4 of these. That's what we call our stoker. This is a vertical cooker. You got 3 different grates in here, firebox down below. And then to finish it off here, he got 2 48-inch Santa Maria grills here, guys. These grills work great. Adjust your cooking rate up and down depending on what you're cooking. So guys, that is Nick's lineup. We're about to load up a container, ship it over to the UK. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.